Here's my simple remedies to sweep dust. I use the water, right? So let's just spray all over. Water, it will help you, right? Just like this one, see? See, look. The dust doesn't fly out anymore. Right? Look at that. Look at this one here. It's better, doesn't it? Yeah, for sure. The dust doesn't fly. Okay. All right, now so we can remove this sheets. Look at that. Dust doesn't fly out anymore. All right, so right now we're cleaning up. So we can, again, this is my magic to help me out to eliminate the dust. Right, so we can okay, now so we can remove the plastic. Oh man. Okay. Stop recording.